In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Instagram ads not delivering. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app, then navigate to the profile page. Now click on three bars given at the top right. Now scroll down. Head over to the option Account Type and Tools and make sure your account is set to professional or business account. If you see the option to switch, go ahead and convert it, since ads won't properly run on a personal account. Once you do that, head back. Now scroll down and navigate to the option Help. Now click on the account status. Here you want to make sure there are no restrictions on your account. Everything should show green check mark. If you see any restriction, you can appeal them directly through the Help Center. Next, head back. Click on the option Report and Violations. Click on the option Violations. Confirm there are no hidden issues affecting your ad delivery. If everything looks fine but still your ads are not running, head back. Click on the option Report a Technical Problem. Click on Report Problem without checking. Click on Don't Include. Now here you will need to briefly explain about the issue, something like your ads not delivering despite no violations. Submit the report and Instagram support team will usually respond within 24 to 48 hours with further guidance. And that's it. These are some ways to fix Instagram ads not delivering. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.